Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Welma bin Sulaiman. My matrix number is 01 DKM3A 2005 and this is my partner.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. My name is Binaja bin Habir and my matrix number is 01 DKM20F 2006.
Today we are going to do a role play about a situation at a construction site. My character will be the client and Binaja will be the construction manager.
In a busy construction site.
Hey there. Can I speak with someone who in charge here or your manager please?
Yes sir, you came into a right person. How can I help you?
Is that so? By the way, my name is Well. I am your client here.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Well. My name is Binaja and I'm the one who in charge in this construction site. So what I can do for you?
Actually, I came to this construction site today because I have several complaints to issue to you.
Oh, so what kind of complaint you want to issue, sir?
From our last survey to this construction site, there are some work still not been done in piping area. I have done the report and all the punch list for your review. I hope you can finish all work in that area before our project due.
Oh, I'm really sorry for the delay and undone work, sir. Our team will do the best to finish the work and all the punch list that have you issued to me.
Glad to hear that. And also I have been reported by our safety officers that some of your workers do not comply to safety regulation. Some safety issue is that workers do not wear the safety helmet properly and some of them do not wear proper safety personal protection equipment. I hope you can do something about that too.
Oh, I'm on it, sir. I will inform all my worker and safety officer about that issue, so please don't worry about that issue.
No worries, my team also will help you on this progress. So do not worry about safety issues. My team will accompany you.
Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Well. We will do our best.
Thank you to you too, Mr. Naja, and thanks to all workers for all your hard work that make this project stand strong. I think that is all the complaint I want to issue to you. Thank you for spending time with me.
No problem. If you have other issue, please inform me as soon as possible.
Will do. Thank you, Mr. Naja, and have a nice day.
You're welcome, Mr. Well. You too, sir.